Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to understand join in SQL Server. So let's start. What is meant by join? When there are two tables, means like the department or employee, or there is another two or more than other tables, and we have to retrieve the data from this table, then we can use the join. Means we have to join these two tables with the help of some column, and then we are getting the data from the two tables, correct? And the definition of it, join clause is used to combine the data or rows from two or more tables based on the column between them, means common column. Actually, here department table having the department ID is the column, and employee is the table and which having the department ID. So we can join these two tables with the help of department ID, correct? And based on that, means we will know the what is the name of the particular department. Here we can list out that department here, and there is a, for example, invoice summary or invoice detail. There are two tables and we have to join based on the invoice ID, correct? So means with the help of join we can collect, means we can connect two table to each other with the help of some column based on the joins condition. Yeah, different types of joins in SQL Server. So inner join, left outer join, we can call it as a left join as well, and then right outer join, then we can call it as a right join as well, then full outer join, or we can call full join, and cross join and self join. So we will see one by one. Inner join means return all the rows when matching rows from both the tables, correct? So let's see in example. Here is the department ID as a 1, means which records are matching in these two tables. So we will get that records only matching records we will get. Means here you could see there is a fifth one, right? So fifth is here available here, no, correct? So at that time only matching records we will get. Then here there is a one more record I added here, means such a records are not come into the inner joint result because this having the null value, it is match with this table, miss rows of this table, no. So such records are not come into the inner join. Yeah, first of all we will see the definition, and then after that these four joins, means most of the inner joint, left joint, right outer joint are in use, and full outer joint rarely, and cross join uh, when we required all the records from left table and right table, then and then we can use the cross join. But before of that we will see the definition of it, means then we will cover cross join. What is the left join? Return all the rows from the left table and the match rows from the right table, and those records are not matched, then such record showing as a null value. So how to do that? Yeah, let's see in example wise. Suppose I am taking an example, means select star from employee, left join with department, correct? On which condition employee dot department id is equal to department dot department id, correct? Here in left join we will get all the records from the left table, means here all the records, means 9 records we will get, and after that there is a all the matching records, means these are the matching records. So in front of that there is a whatever that value we will get. But here nine records having the null value. There is a no means no value in it means null value. So instead means against of this there is a we will get null value. Got it? Because there is a no records matching in the this table. All the records from left table and those are matching. We will get that records, and if not matching, then we will get as a null value. Then next one, right join. Return all the rows from the right table and match rows from the left table. Those records are not matched, then such records are showing as a null value. So here I wrote a simple query means select star from EMP right join with department means at the left side which table EMP correct and right side which table department and in the right join we will get all the records from the department table and we on which column we apply the condition department id correct. So we will get all the records from right table and only matched records from the left tables means here there is a match tables there is a 1 2 3 4 are matching then we will get all records uh, respective of the employee column in and there is a on fifth record there is a no value is matching here correct. So in front of this there is a we will get the null. Next one is full outer join means it will return all the rows from the left table and right table means matched records plus non-matched records as well means it is the combination of inner join plus left join plus right join. So yeah, in example wise how to yeah the query is a very simple means instead of right join we have to mark it as a full join and which records we will get first of all in EMP table all the records means on means till the line and in front of this there is a respective department ID with the all means whatever that four records means those are matching those will show here and in front of nine record there is a null value but here also one record there is a fifth record means so we will get the null in front of here. Got it? And next one Cartesian join. Cartesian join means Cartesian product of both the tables. This join does not need any condition. Correct? Means suppose we are in the this example. Actually, we seen there is a on emp dot department id is equal to department dot department id. So such a condition is not required in the Cartesian product or a Cartesian join. And this join return us the results. Means actually in the result all the records that are multiplication of the record number of from the both the table means each row on left table will related to the right each row of the right table how yeah. So here is the suppose there are the nine records correct 9 into 5 45 records we will get but how that actually one records with respective connect with all records then there is a second with all so we will get 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So such a Cartesian products results we will get in the cross join. Yeah, self join we will see in a few seconds, but before of that we will see the practical of it. And what I did actually I written a one query for you, miss for your understanding, and I upload same query on the my blog. And first of all, what I am doing, I am dropping the table, a drop table. I wrote that. Yeah, okay. I think department. Yeah, okay. Not created it. Okay. Yeah, and there is a cannot drop the table employee because it does not exist or you do not have permission correct. Or then how to check that that table is present or not present actually just refresh it and see uh, there is a table is present or not. But actually if there are hundreds of tables then how to quickly look into this select star from information schema. It is the schema level dot tables where table name is equal to which table you have to find, where table name is equal to employee, correct? So let's check employee, em copy, yeah, correct. So we are not getting the any result, right? And yeah, that's why miss cannot drop or you don't have any permission on this. It is the general error. So yeah, I'm miss I written here the query to check the table is available or not. Means just we are checking with filtering the table. Yeah, means here if I am executing this query till this, then we will get all the list of tables at here and columns as well. Means select star from information dot columns. So you will get all the columns along with the table name as well with their data types. Yeah, and length. So first of all, I am creating the table, create table department and then employee. In department, I am inserting 5 records in it, and in employee, there are 8 records. So I am inserting one more record. Actually, here you could do one more thing here. Means right now I consolidated all the insert means complete insert script in a one stroke, so we can make it as a separate as well. First of all, I'm inserting it and then I will show you that. And I didn't make any primary key or foreign key relationship in between them. Otherwise, yeah, if foreign key is you mention, then means that if that particular column is allowing null, then you can use that. Means there is a no problem. I'm inserting 8 records, and same thing we have to use for the uh, here there are means all the records in a one by one, then you need to mention the comma in between 2 records, and here we can insert the separate records. So yeah, select star from department, you will get 5 records, and select from employee, you will get 9 records in it. Got it? Means 9 rows here, and in the message you will get 9 rows affected. Okay, correct. First of all, we will see inner join in between these two tables. Means what is the result of inner join? Select star from employee, inner join department on which condition you have to join the two tables, correct? In employee table having the department id is equal to department is the table and which having the department id is the column, correct? So in the result set, what you will get, yeah, first yeah, here is the ID 1, 2, 3 up to the 8 records and 9 records is not getting. Why? Because that null is joined, not miss that null records is not able to join with this record. Correct. So in front of this you will get yeah one miss whatever that value 2 2 2 2 3 then 4 4 2 1 against of it you will get the data from the department table, but here there is a 5 is not coming at here, and here there is a null record means in the ninth, so this is not coming. This is nothing but the result of the inner join. Means only those records we are getting here, those are matching with each with the on which condition we connected that records with the help of the department id, correct? So yeah, this is the matching rows results. Means it is the inner join. Yeah, here is means very simple, and there is a next left join. Actually, join is the backbone of SQL query. Means suppose we have to write a query to means for an objective, or we have to do some retrieve the data from multiple tables, then at that time join is a very important to retrieve the data from multiple table. And we need to identify which column we have to connect, and which is the good join at here. So we need to take that decision based on the whatever our the functionality point of view, or whatever the questions we have. And yeah, next see left join. Here either you can mention left join or a left outer join, both are the same one. And select star from employee, left join department on employee.department id is equal to department.department id. What I said previously, in the left join you will get all the records from the left table and only match records from the right table. And if not matching, then such records are called it as a then such records will denote as a null records. So let's try. Yeah, means all the records from the left table, and those records are not matching because here null, there is a no any records are matching in the right table department, correct? So at means in this situation you will get the null value in front of this record. Very simple. And yeah, right join is the exact reverse of this. In right join you will get all the records from right table, and those records are matched. You will get that record from the left table, but those records are not matched, then you will get the null value in front of them. So here there are 5 records, but one is joined with that particular one department id, then one is again there is a 1 and 8. So but I actually, here you could see there is a sorting order in between, miss on department id, miss 1 2 3 4 and then fifth one, correct? One by one they are matching their records, and you will get at the final, you will get all the records from the right table and match the records from the left table. Those are not matched, then in front of that there is a null value showing it here. And the full outer join is the combination of matching records, left join and right join. How? So let's see full join. And in inner join, which how much records we got? There is a 8 records. In left join 9, and in right join there is a 9. And full join how much records? So let's see 10. Why? Because this is the inner join result. Got it? Means there are 8 records from the left table, we got this, and these are the matching records. So this is the inner joint result, and this is left joint result. Means in the left table we got means 9 records from the left table and only match records from the right table, and there is a those match non-match records. So in front of the null is value showing. And in terms of the right join, exclude this record time being, and consider the previous 8 records, and this is the last record. So this is the result of the right join, correct? So in full join we will get all the combination, means inner join plus left join and then right join. Got it? Perfect. And then cross join. How many record we will expect in cross join? 45. And no need condition at here. 45 records we will get, correct? Because 1 2 3 up to the 9 records, those are first of all related with the first of the department. Then there is a second, means 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Very simple join, Cartesian product. And we can achieve inner join result from this as well. Means if I am just showing you for your knowledge point of view, if I'm making a comma in between two these, then it will act as a cross join. Got it? Yeah, this is the 45 records. And if I am making the condition in between that where employee, sorry, employee dot department ID is equal to department dot department ID. So how many records you will get? Only 8. Why? Because it is the inner join. How? Yeah, means we are getting the cross join. Correct. Let's see here cross join. And we are checking the employee dot department ID is equal to department ID. Only those are matching. It is matching? No, it is excluded then. Then here it is matching? No match. It is matching? Yes. So consider this record. So only miss in this way you will get or I will simply write a one condition for you. Uh, case when um, it is just for your understanding. Employee dot department ID is equal to this. I am making a condition in between. Then matched. Else non-matched and end no matching non-matched. Yeah, end as result. So let's see here. I'm not including the where call clause, correct? Yeah, here matched. Then there is a matched. So there are 8 records who are matched. So we will get only that records. Order by which result, correct? Actually, it is the allies. If we are not saying it as a uh, mm, allies, then you will get no column name, and you can't filter that. Order by no column name, it is not the good practice. So best way you have to give the allies for that, so you can identify which column you have to order by, and based on that, yeah, match records. There are 8 records you can see. Yeah, this is nothing but the inner join. Got it? Very simple. If I am inserting this condition, then yeah, only 8 records we will get. That's it. And one more thing. Suppose I am giving you the here inner join result. Correct? Means inner join we will get inner join with the help of this query as well. Correct? Means from employee department on the basis of we have to again mention the condition, correct? Or you can mention the cross join in between these. So inner join we will get from the 3 methods, means either these or actually here you have to mention, means here cross join no need to mention the condition, but in where clause you can, means here cross join you will get 45 records, but if we are filtering then there is again 8 records we will get. So here is the nothing but the inner join result, and this is also inner join result. Got it? And this is also a inner join result. Means these are the 3 ways to um yeah, 24 records. But ideal way of to means retrieve the data from two tables with the help of inner join, then use this condition, means use this clause inner join instead of cross join. And because we are actually in the, if you see the execution plan, then definitely you will get the same execution plan. I will show you at here. Here is the execution plan. I turn it on, and yeah, here you could say there is a 33%, 33%, 33%. There is a clustered index scan. So at the end here we added the some one means actually we are checking the case condition. That's why here is the plan is slightly different, but here you could see there is a clustered index scan. From that we are getting the records, so no change in that. Right now only consider, yeah, in inner join you will get matched records from both the tables. That's it. And here in this, if you mention the star, it means you will get all the columns. All the column, it means from employee table you will get all columns, from department table you will get all the columns. But there is a sequence wise, employee is the first, therefore you will get all the columns of employee first and then department. If you have, if you require department dot star, means department record, uh, department table having columns, those should be the first. Then you have to mention these things: mid department dot star, comma, employee dot star. I am turn it off. Yeah, execution plan. Yeah, miss here you will get, yeah, department and then employee. Then one more thing here, suppose department name, got it, and employee, no, employee star. I can say first name or middle name if I want. It is best way to write the query, means on inner join based on, yeah, which conditions you are making a join, yeah, on condition, and we are retrieving these three columns, correct? So here means there is a Manish Sonone, Ganesh Khedkar. So yeah, this is the here, means you will get complete list. And one more thing I missed here. Which one? Here I used the inner join. I am getting not all the records, only 8 records. So how to handle that? Here you have to mention the left join, and in front of that there is a null value. So how to handle is null. If department ID is null, then what records we have to show? No department assigned it. Yeah, miss actually right now I am just saying as a and allies, correct, because we did expression in that as department, no need to mention the comma, got it, means no department, means that particular Rama Jadhav not assigned to any department till. And one more thing here, I write query and I am again rewrite this query as here every time employee dot department dot, no need to mention, you can make the alias of the table as well. Here is the employee as a E, department as a D, then just simply mention here E dot and D dot. That's it. Got it? So query will be a small one, understandable. Yeah. I hope you got miss example of, this is the real example of the left join. Yes, means you will get all the records of employee, and those don't have any department, showing that department has a null value. No department, correct, no department value. Then which is the good example for this? left join, and right join means I want all the department list. So I'm just copy paste it first of all, and here I'm making d dot department name, yeah, here, and instead of this right join. So which output you will get, yeah, here is the, first of all I am making d dot department id as well for your understanding, and in department there are 5 records, correct? There is a 1 2 3 4, and fifth records no, no any matching records, so in front of them there is a null value showing, correct? So this is the, means when you have a query, means you want all the records from right table, and those records are, means matched or not matched, it is depend on choice, means we can handle the null condition, means there is a no employees are assigned to the particular department, then we can handle that null condition. But your objective will meet here, means retrieve all the records from the department table. Means there is another question, how to check that department don't have an employee, correct? Where, very simple, e dot department id is null, means for all the departments we have a data, and only department id that 5 having don't have data in the employee table. So this is the answer for that. And if we are mentioning here if is not null, then it is act as a inner join. Yes, actually don't be confused. First of all, try the practice with simple example, means inner join what is, then left join is what is, then right join what is, and then full join. I'm giving you the very brief summary of this inner join. In this you will get matched the records, correct? Only keep in mind. Then left join, in left join which you will get, left join means at the inquiry you are using, this is the left table and this is the right table, that's it, all records from left side. And here again to, in this there is a matched the records we will get, correct? And non-matched records you will see as a null value, got it? Yes. And right join is exactly opposite of it, right join all records from right table, correct? And matched records you will get the value, and non-match records you will get the null value in front of them. And full join is the very simple, means match the records from, it contains matched plus unmatched or non-matched records, matched plus non-matched records, sorry, non-matched records, rows or records is the same, means both are the same one, means match records plus non-match records. And in that there is a match records where you are getting, in inner join you will get complete list of the match records, and in left join only left side records you will get. And means all the records from the left side you will get, and in the right join you will get all the records from the right join, but in front of them there is a null value showing. So it is the combination of left join. Uh, full join is the combination of inner join plus left join plus right join. Very simple. And in cross join, it is nothing but the Cartesian product, means product of two tables. Means suppose I am making as a Cartesian uh, join. Means there is a table and there are B table. A table having the 10 records and B table having the 3 records. Then what will be the output? 30 records will get. Correct. So this is the simple example for the cross join. And time being, you learn only inner join, means there is a simple way. No need to make first of all cross join and then retrieve based on the condition. Actually, it is very good to understand these all the things. Actually, I shown this way because you must know. That's why I shown this example, miss cross join or a comma. Miss some of the persons they are writing in this way, but yeah, it is not the miss. Some of them person don't know miss what is the miss actually cross join, and again this filtering these. Then again here is the make the comma in between two tables, and then again filtering the condition in where clause. Best way here is the very good condition. Miss good clause, make the inner join in between that, nothing issue. It is so simple. It is just for your understanding. And in most of the interview they will ask, means they will give you the example. This is the A table, this is the B table. If I join these two tables, then what will be the inner join, left join, right join, and full join? What will be the output? So in means actually out of 100, uh, 60 to 70% they are asking on the question on a joins. So join is a very important, and in SQL query point of view, join is the backbone. You must know it. Otherwise, you don't know means how to retrieve the data from two tables. Then how you can make the query. Join is the fundamental concept. So you need to learn it. And if you have any doubts, so please let me know in the comment section. I will repeat it again, or I will try to explain in a simple manner. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.